observation.
Professor, are these?
Veins are usually, yeah, because we said you want to protect the artery more. You don't want to damage an artery.
And the red ones are the arteries?
Yes. Red is
Okay.
artery, blue is vein. Remember, it corresponds to the type of blood they're carrying. Red means high oxygen blood. Blue is low oxygen blood. Okay?
And what's the name again of that one?
Common carotid artery and internal jugular vein.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Now look over here for a second to this model. We can see some of these other branches off the aortic arch here. When I take a piece of lung out again, don't try this at home. Right? So what do we see here? The aortic arch. So there's the arch of the aorta, and then going down, we see the descending or the thoracic aorta. Very nice in this model. Then we have three big branches off the aortic arch: 313, 314, and 315. You can see the numbers here. Brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid, and left subclavian arteries. Besides this model here, remember on the big heart models, you also can see the very same branching off the aortic arch.
Wait, it goes what?
So from right to left, remember the model's right to left, brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid, and left subclavian arteries.
Brachiocephalic trunk.
Left common carotid and left subclavian. Those three arteries branch off the aortic arch. Okay? So they show up quite nicely. And then we said going down is our descending or thoracic aorta. Okay? Now what else do we see here? Some pulmonary vessels. But remember we said arteries and veins in the pulmonary system are reversed in terms of what kind of blood they carry. Arteries carry low oxygen blood, veins carry high oxygen blood. Therefore, the colors are also reversed. You with me so far? So this red thing right here is not going to be an artery. This red thing is a pulmonary vein. The blue thing here is a pulmonary artery. Okay? So the red thing here specifically, this would be a right pulmonary vein, and the blue vessel would be a right pulmonary artery. Because we said the pulmonary vessels are reversed in the type of blood they are transporting. So just so we know that important difference here. Every place else in the body, red means artery and blue means vein, except when we talk about the pulmonary vessels. Just so we know. Okay? Questions thus far on these major arteries and veins found up here in the thoracic region?
Is this all life size? Like it would
Is
be
this life size? Pretty much, yes. That's about how big the aorta is of an average person. So you figure, I always say it's like a garden hose size artery. It's huge,
surprisingly big.
very big. Remember, in a